How you going? Mick at Diggermate here. In this video, I'm going to give you some safety tips on how to dig a trench properly.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com.au and get it done with Diggermate.
So we've just started to dig a trench here. The rule of thumb in relation to how far away you place your materials is basically however deep the trench is how far out you place the materials. So the depth equals the distance. So in this case, we're about 300 at the moment for the trench. So we're going to be about 300 out for the materials. If you're a metre deep, you're going to go a metre out, and if you're 2 metres deep, you're going to go 2 metres out, and so on. A couple of reasons for this. The deeper you go, the more chance the trench has of caving in. And also the deeper you go, the bigger the pile is going to be out the side as well. So you don't want the pile to start to backfill the trench before you're ready. So there's a real safety factor here. The more material you put close to the trench, the more pressure it puts on the trench. So the trench has got a bigger chance of caving in. There's a real danger of burying people or seriously injuring people if a trench caves in. So make sure you get this right. The trench material needs to be far enough away from the trench so it doesn't put pressure on the sidewalls, it doesn't cave in, and it doesn't backfill itself.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to diggermate.com.au. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.